Hi, good morning. Coffee.
Good
You have your
morning.
coffee?
Coffee.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go, Peter.
How do you say strong coffee and a strong mindset?
That's
what
how we
need.
start, yes.
Perfect.
That's how we're starting our week. So we've got a favorite topic today, one of our very favorite ones, the one that we love the most, and it is lead generation power hour and building the habit.
Yes, yes.
How do we build that habit?
Now, I think it's so important that we build a habit.
Mm.
And it's not science fiction. It's very humanly, it's very possible for anyone to create a habit. We actually all have habits. Go to the bathroom in the morning, you take out the toothpaste, put it in your brush, and you brush your teeth. You don't think about that. You don't consider which should I use toothpaste or not. You just do it because it's a habit. We can all get some habits.
Yeah, that's true. And success in real estate isn't just about doing everything. It's about doing the right thing every single day. So it's like the right thing is for you when you brush your teeth is to brush your teeth daily.
Yeah,
isn't that right?
That's right.
That's how we were taught as children. So just think of the amount of years behind that habit. And here we are, we want to give up when we want to start a new habit, but we're not taking into consideration the amount of time it takes. And it's just small bits that makes that big difference.
Yes.
Consistency, once again.
Consistent. I think there's four things if you want to establish a habit. And the typical people say there's four things. The first thing is a cue to remind you to do that. And that, for instance, you can set your alarm on your phone to rings 9 o'clock, and you know, okay, my lead gen time started now. Just to get a cue. And then after that, you have to take some action. Do that. Just do the one thing that you have to do that day to get your.
What is the favorite thing of the one thing? The famous quote. What's the one thing that I can do? Shut up by doing it. Everything else will be easier or unnecessary. And there's method in that quote.
Yeah, definitely. And then if you finished, you must reward yourself. It's a cue, it's an action, it's a reward. You have a cup of coffee or listen to music or tick down that you finish your lead gen, because that lets your brain gives you a lot of endorphins that makes you happy. And then the fourth one is repeat. And after 21 days, you'll feel comfortable with that. And after 63 days, you're going to sit habit that will never go away.
Yeah, and that's it. And by the way, the 66 days is coming from the one thing. So you can make a note. We are doing page, or actually chapters 10 and 11 today in the one thing. It's from page 102 in the one thing, and chapter 11 starts at 112. And what is that focusing question? What's that one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary?
Yes.
And we forget that it's just one thing. It's not 1,000 things. It's just one thing. And let's talk about the power hour. The power hour is basically your foundation. Remember, we spoke about base camp of Mount Everest a few weeks ago. By the way, we are still at base camp. We haven't moved up yet. We are still building this foundation. We're still getting fit to go up onto the top of Mount Everest, to be able to breathe correctly and to still have oxygen, or to cope with the little oxygen up there.
That they use, yeah.
And the power hour is your foundation. It's the one focused hour of purposeful and lead generation that moves your business forward.
Yes.
And that is your lead generation time. Whether it's 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, whatever is in your world, that is your power hour. And remember, part of lead gen is not only the calling. The calling is the power hour. There's prep that needs to be done, and then there's follow-ups as well.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. And there's WhatsApp and emails.
Exactly.
Interesting that on page 103, he quote a quote of Mark Twain that said, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Just do it. Like, just begin. Just make 1% better this day."
Yeah, and it says here, by the way, the rest of this quote says, "The secret to getting started is breaking your complex, overwhelming tasks into small, manageable tasks, and then starting on the first one. Don't let it overwhelm you."
Yeah. Myself, I'm a planner, so I'd like to plan something today, but I plan so long that I don't get to the work. And we must all Just do it. Just begin. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think some of us, well, I'm going to talk about myself. You said you're a planner. I'm not really a planner. I just sort of jump in and I think of the plan afterwards. And I'm thinking, oh, what was I supposed to do now? But I'm busy doing it already. However, do what works for you, but don't get stuck in any of your behavioral styles. Move forward. Just take that step. And if you think of a circle, the circle is the big picture. And I want you to think of a bull's eye right in the middle of the circle. The bull's eye is the focus. Yes, you've got this big picture of everything happening in your world. That small little dot in the middle is your focus. That is what is my one thing right now.
Yeah.
Not tomorrow, but what is my one thing right now.
Yeah. But that's so important because if you do your one thing right now, it will lead you to your bigger picture and you will accomplish your big picture, your one thing.
And once again, what is that? Lead generation is the one thing that will drive all results.
Yes.
It's the one thing in any business, not just real estate, not just in our world, in any business.
Yes, any business. I told the people that were here Saturday that their job is not to sell houses. The job is to get leads, to get listings, leads, listings, leverage. The buyers will come. Our primary job is to canvas, to lead gen, to get listings.
That's it. Yeah, that's exactly it. Yeah. And consistency beats intensity. 1 hour a day compounds over a period of time.
Sure. That's
when you look back, when you look back, you will see, oh wow, look at all of these leads that I have created. I'm going to repeat, consistency beats intensity. 1 hour a day compounds over time.
Sure. Yeah.
That's amazing. Yeah.
That's really
and then again, every contact is an opportunity to build that relationship. Remember, we are in a contact spot. We spoke about it last week. We are in the world of building relationships, having conversations, not versations, but conversations. It must be a two-way conversation. And then protect your power hour like an appointment with your future self. We often get things that want to disrupt, a buyer that wants to set up a viewing in your power hour. You have an appointment with your business. It's in your calendar. You're busy.
Yeah, you don't answer phones. You don't answer emails.
Yes, nothing. You're only building relationships and getting new leads.
Yeah, that's your appointment.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Anything you want to add at this stage, Victor?
Yeah, just said the question, the one thing, what's the one thing I can do by doing it? Everything else will be easier or necessary. The second part of the question is a specific purpose. What's the one thing to get what? What's the one thing I can do to get to the point I want to be?
Where do you want to be today? Where do you want to be tomorrow? Where do you want to be 1 January? If you keep doing what you're doing and you're not getting results, you're going to still be at the same place next year.
And if you do what you always do and you expect different results, you're not very fresh up there.
Yes, you can't expect. So what got you here is possibly not going to get you to 1 January. There is some things that we need to change. We have to shift every single day with growth in ourselves, then our business will grow.
Yes.
Sure, Peter, this is a powerful session, eh?
Yeah,
and there's so much we can talk about, India. I don't think we have enough time today.
Yeah, every morning, I think this is the most important, and then next day comes also important. But your power hour to do your lead gen, that's the most important one thing of all the real estate people.
And here's the thing: you have to make a decision. Happiness is a choice. If you're going to say to yourself, I don't feel like lead generating today, if you're going to bring in your feelings to every part of your business is going to be built on feelings. And I can promise you that will be a roller coaster ride.
Yeah, definitely.
You choose to do lead generation. You choose to be happy. And by not doing lead generation, you are also choosing something else.
Correct. No, choosing to stay where you are.
Yes.
A friend of mine always said that don't be like a lazy teenager that only wants to work when you feel like it.
Yeah.
Get up, dress up, and show up.
Yeah, and do it for yourself. Do it for yourself and for your business. In fact, do it for your future self, because what you're doing today, the result is going to show up a few months later, and that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Peter, I see you have something open in your book that you want to talk about.
Yes, well, there's one thing in different aspects in your life. You can talk about the one thing about religion, your one thing about your spiritual life, the one thing for your physical life, the one thing of a personal life. This is on page 114 in the book. I'm just going to show it like that quickly. A lot of concentric circles. And to be balanced in your whole life, I think you must find the one thing of every aspect in your life, being most important, your religion currently.
Yeah, and that's the 7 circles of the one thing. Remember, we did it a few weeks ago. We come back to it all the time because it's part of your life. It's now part of your world. Well, in closing, I've got some questions for you. The first one is, what time of the day is best for my daily power hour? Now, we remember, Gary says everything needs to be done before 11 and 12 p.m., 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. This is the best time to have your energy. The mornings, your energy is best. You slept, and if you did all of your 5 energy plans, you will be ready and boosted up to do your lead generation, that power hour.
Own the morning, own the day.
Yes, exactly. How can I remove distractions during that time? So Gary also says build a bunker. And store provisions. Make sure that you have everything that you need for that time close by. Have your coffee. If you need 2 cups of coffee, have 2 cups ready there next to your table. Your water, your snacks, whatever you need to get you moving forward. And then what lead generation activities will I focus on first? Which ones are the most important ones? So you will know in your business which ones will be the most important ones. How many contacts or conversations will I aim for daily?
And that is on your 411. That is supposed to be filled in and against your wall next to your desk where you sit in Legion, so that you can look at your 411 every day, so you can get your purpose and know what your numbers are that you must reach to get to your goal.
And I think it's a reality check if we do our 411s to really realize how many contacts we need to make to reach our goals. Yeah. And then the very last question for you is, who can help keep me accountable to my power hour? Remember, we spoke about accountability last week. Get an accountability partner, like your productivity coach, your team leader, somebody in your leadership team, somebody that's better than you. Do not think your peers is going to be able to hold you accountable. You are all at the same level. If you want to go to the next level, you need somebody on a higher level to keep you accountable.
No, that's so important, because we can't keep ourselves accountable. We are too human to be accountable towards ourselves. Very, very few people can do that.
And once again, we bring our feelings in. I don't feel like doing it today.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. That's definitely so.
All right, take action, everybody. This was amazing. Any last thoughts, Peter?
My power hour starts now.
Okay, so let's go. I need to go as well. Have a fabulous Monday, everybody. See you on Tuesday. Be that amazing self. Commit to your power hour and generation.
Be consistent. See you tomorrow.